Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and buy bitcoins from with Chime Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. So here in the section you're going to find this kind of interface. So actually to do so, you're going to access another source, which would be Paxful for you, where you're going to go ahead and purchase a bitcoin using the method. So for the matter, first of all, access this www.paxful.com and get into their official website, and then afterwards tap on this buy section, you see, right? And once you're here in this buy bitcoin section, first of all you gotta go ahead, choose the bitcoin from over here, and here is all payment methods. You can tap on this three horizontal line beside given, and now you gotta choose yourself, right? So let's see, if we tap on this Chime, you can see the Chime instant transfer. You can do simply go ahead, tap on it, and now we have chose our payment method as well. Now we're going to enter our information according to we like, and here in this right side of the screen we can see all of the bitcoins available with their purchase, their rate as well. And then once you have check on it, you can simply tap on this any of the ones and tap on this buy, and now here you gotta again enter the amount that you would like to buy for, and the bitcoin amount will simply convert and will be shown how much you're going to receive. Afterwards you simply got to go ahead, tap on the sign up to buy if you haven't signed up. If you have, you can simply tap on this buy option, and that way you will be able to do your transaction for those particular bitcoins by the Chime money transfer which you chose as a payment method. So that is the simplest way for you to do so. Make sure to come over here, create your account for the future use as well, and that is it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.